If you look inside some power steering reservoirs, you can see they have baffles, screens, and even filters that can trap debris. No matter how many times you try to flush it out with solvents or compressed air, there will still be contamination left behind. The contamination can quickly damage the new pump or even the rack. To safeguard against potential failures, some power steering pump manufacturers and remanufacturers strongly recommend replacing the reservoir along with the power steering pump. This is why select AAE power steering pump kits include all the components required for a comprehensive and high-quality power steering pump replacement on a wide range of popular import and domestic vehicles. These all-inclusive power steering pump kits feature a brand new hydraulic power steering pump and the parts necessary to complete the job. This includes a brand new reservoir. For some applications like Honda and Acura, the box will contain a new return pipe to prevent leaks, and for some BMW applications, the pump will have an upgraded aluminum pulley that replaces the plastic pulley. Aluminum constructed pulleys provide increased durability and greater resistance compared to the plastic alternative and are designed and manufactured to handle the rigors of a vehicle's engine bay, which provides a long, problem-free service life. Further, the pumps even include the pressure sensor where applicable. Having all the parts in the box for your next power steering pump replacement can ensure you are productive and profitable by not having to order and wait for parts that might be difficult to source. Get the job done right the first time, every time with AAE, brought to you by CRP Automotive. If you have a question about AAE power steering pump kits or any other AAE branded product, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.